From wild breakdowns after trades go south, to losing your college savings in one trade,
my balance.
These are the top 7 wildest trading losses caught on live. Kicking off our list is Danny's Trades, who's already down over $4,500 for the.
Let's have a little bit of background on Danny's Trades. He's a popular NASDAQ futures trader and a live streamer from California. Moved out of his parents' house at age 13 to live with his grandparents. Had behavioral issues as a teenager and describes himself as having a strong independent grind mindset. Let's have a look.
The day. He's staring at the NASDAQ futures chart, looking for a way to climb out of this hole.
I am upset at myself. I'm a victim to that FOMO. I was up, right? I was up 11K. I over leveraged just to come back, and I walked away from my screen. I even set a stop loss, nothing. Now that's gambling. So guess what?
He didn't even set a stop loss. That is insane, especially for futures trading, knowing that you're trading like huge contracts on NQ.
And we keep going.
After seeing the market rally, he decides to bet against it, hoping for a reversal.
I'm liking the way this is looking. You know, I think it's going to be shorts. I'm going to go short here. All right, here we go.
Trading against a strong trend on NQ, I've learned, is really, really risky because NQ is one of those assets that once it gets momentum, it just runs and runs and runs.
Let's make this happen. Let's make this bread.
For a moment, it looks like a brilliant move, hitting profits of over $3,000.
Yeah, this is going to fall for sure. I hope, unless this market gets crazier. All right, we're back to profit on the day. I want to like restart.
And when a market is trending like that, having such a tight stop loss is very, very ill-advised.
I want to just go to break even.
But just as quickly as the market went in his favor, it snaps back. He watches as his profits are wiped out, and in a matter of seconds, the trade hits the stop loss.
We did hit TP on that though, guys, so don't be giving me any crap for that. Damn it, dude. I always do stupid shit, man. Why am I trading like this today? Why am I not taking my TPs?
Maybe some traders would take a breath and stop here, but he does the opposite.
This is not good. You guys are watching me crash out live.
Visibly frustrated,
What an insane mistake. His trading plan was to take profit at the level price reached it, and he still didn't do it because
he immediately jumps back in with another short position.
All right, I'm gonna go one more short here. All right, here we go. Watch this TP hit.
This is classic revenge trading, trying to force the market to give you your money back.
If we get pulled out, I have to end the live. I can't go more steep. Hold on. Be right back.
At first, the trade goes well, reaching a $7,000 profit, but he refuses to cash out.
Yo. I know I'm up because I was watching my stream on Trader Joe's phone, and I'm going to keep holding this. We're going full degen here. Imagine this just hits my stop loss. That'd be so funny, right?
This guy, he's better off trading crypto. He's a full degen.
Yeah. I think we go to the bottom now. So guess what? I'm going to take the risk.
He then gets up and walks away from his desk, hoping for things to go his way. But the price rips upwards, directly against his position, until he ultimately gets liquidated once again.
Guys,
Oh god.
my friend Danny's Trades he's down bad right now. He's not doing well. Pray for him. We hope the best for him. It's not going well, guys. Stream's over with, guys.
And while some trading losses happen in a flash,
His friend had to step in. He must have been crying off screen.
this next one is a slow and agonizing multi-day saga.
The one that I do like is NZD/USD. It's literally the exact same trade that we're having right here. Beautiful.
So next we have Alex G Trades. He's a forex swing trader specializing NZD/USD and NZD CAD, known for large positions and multi-day holds. So like a swing trader. Builds content for set and forget style trading with big risk. Frequently posts wins and losses of 75k to 90k plus on a single trade. Oh my god. That would drive me insane. Holding trades for multiple days, knowing that you're underwater, that's something I would never ever be able to handle.
Beautiful evening star bearish move, beautiful evening star bearish move. Now I'm gonna wait for exactly what happened here. Lower high to then sell.
This trader spots what he believes is a perfect setup. He's shorting the New Zealand US dollar pair, betting that the price will drop significantly. Confident in his analysis, he enters a massive position and decides to hold it overnight, letting the market do the work.
Well, I mean, market up there right now, we are probably around break even. I mean, we're around break even. So we're up $15,000 right now.
Holding something overnight, knowing that you're around break even or underwater, I wouldn't be able to sleep.
The next morning, it looks like his plan is working to perfection. But this is where things begin to go wrong.
I love my entry. I love this consolidation. All we really need is just one big bearish candlestick. And I think that will create the momentum needed in order for this to continue heading to the downside. How?
The chart spikes, and what was once a comfortable profit spirals into a gut.
You know, when he said how, I know exactly how it felt, because he was so confident at his setup that he thought this is 100% a winner. But trading is just probabilities. There's 100% guaranteed trade.
Wrenching unrealized loss.
I mean, I literally said we might have a wick fill, but why are you listening to me? You should be going the other way, man. I mean, dude, right now we're in this trade right now, and I'm currently in drawdown. $74,000. Like, it doesn't even matter. Like, I don't even care that I'm in the loss 74 grand. What I care is that I might f up my losing streak right now. I just don't understand.
Oh my god, so he doesn't want to close the trade. He hasn't got a stop loss, even though he's 70k down, and he doesn't want to lose his winning streak. So he just keeps on going further and further into drawdown. This is like the quickest way of losing all your money.
What are you doing wrong?
The frustration is palpable as he questions how the trade could have gone so wrong.
Why are you going the opposite way? Why? Bro, I waited for the retracement. I waited for the engulfing. I stayed up last night and done the session. What did I do wrong?
Later in the day, he is back in profit, with the price coming within a hair of his stop loss before reversing to the downside.
We are currently rejecting this high right here. Holy fuck. We really almost got wicked out in this market. Looking pretty solid. I'm going to continue to hold this trade.
You can tell his mood has improved, and he decides to hold the trade one more night.
I'm going to fall asleep right now, and I'm going to wake up tomorrow, and this is either going to be, I might take.
What a horrible situation to be in. Like, I would have lost 2 nights of sleep just thinking about this being underwater for so long.
Profit or at my stop loss. How does this even happen, dude? How does this even happen?
Unfortunately, he wakes up to the worst possible outcome, just inches away from being stopped out.
I literally go from waking up in the middle of the night to being nearly 100 grand.
Now I hope he either closes his position or lets it hit the stop loss. I've got a feeling he's gonna let this go and continue being underwater.
Profit. It completes this left head, right shoulder, has a beautiful push. Bro, like, dude, we are down right now $65,000. See, that would be the majority of you guys right now after taking a loss. Yo, this doesn't faze me.
This doesn't faze him, but look at his face. Oh my god.
There goes my winning streak, bro.
Not even an hour later, the price smashes through his stop loss and delivers the final verdict.
I lost $90,000 today, bro. So losing $90,000 on a position that...
This trader is about to learn that lesson firsthand, trading the Trump coin during the president's inauguration.
Please raise your right hand.
So this guy, he remained anonymous. He's a casual live streamer. He went live especially for the Trump meme coin during his presidential inauguration ceremony. No established public profile about this guy. This appears to be a one-off viral moment. Oh my god. So this guy, he thought he was going to get rich and famous just off the Trump meme coin.
And repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
He enters long, but the market doesn't care about the ceremony. As the oath of office begins, his trade immediately goes sour. You can see the calm confidence draining from his face, the slight head tilt, the widening eyes. He's realizing his bet is going catastrophically wrong.
Trump!
He can't take any more punishment and manually pulls out.
Down 1 million on crypto memes. That is what a terrible decision. No stop loss. And this shows that just because the news might be positive in your opinion, it doesn't mean the market's gonna go up. The news just brings in volatility.
We have TJR, trading the NASDAQ 100 futures. And
This guy, he's a high profile trader with 1.6 million subscribers. Wow. He's from San Francisco, and his family background includes education, dropped out of college full time to trade crypto in 2017, and he's known for showing high volume trading streams, big daily P&Ls, 50k to 150k plus wins, plus losses. Oh my god, this is gonna be a big number. Let's go.
he's starting his session feeling the pressure to perform.
Market just opened. We really gotta start making some money.
He identifies a setup to go long, betting the market will rise.
I just want to long off this bitch right now, dude. It's like I know where it wants to go. It's ready to fire.
He jumps into the trade, but
This sounds like overconfidence, and especially with NASDAQ, you know, when the New York opens, like half the time, that's when the reversals happen and the big moves happen. So you're a bit too overconfident some days.
in his haste, he commits one of trading's biggest mistakes.
I'm gonna give this some room to work though, because we very well can come down and then create an SMT off these lows.
I think we've all had that happen to us once. You expect choppy price action, then you get like a death candle like that, and it shocks you. Look at his face.
Crazy because I haven't even set a stop loss yet.
He entered the trade down $40,000. His only choice is to place his stop loss below the new dip to avoid being immediately taken out.
I'm only
This is where he should cut it.
down 40k right now. I would like to mitigate the risk a lot.
He openly admits the gravity of his situation and opens another position a bit lower than the last one to try to mitigate
Never ever do that. Never double down on a losing trade.
the risk.
Get another entry here and then move my stops underneath this low. That would be ideal. All stops are underneath this low now. So still 100k risked. I don't like how this looks at all though.
After a few minutes of the market chopping around, the price drops one last time, hitting his emergency stop loss and
Why would he double his position? He knows it doesn't look good. This is just from being impatient and revenge trading.
sealing his fate for the day.
See what we got whacked for. $87,000. Oh.
Finally, we end with one of the most heartbreaking and dramatic reactions so far. This next clip from trading streamer Jadudu is a masterclass in how quickly a dream can turn into a disaster.
Jadudu's from Korea, and she's known for her emotional reactions and has a dedicated audience in Korea, especially for these kind of moments.
아,
Bitcoin trade.
오늘 해장 안 해도 되겠다. 이 차트 올라가는 것만 보니까 막 속이.
We join her in a winning long position on Bitcoin, and she's already fantasizing about the profits.
아이고 여러분들 내일 보자. 내일 아침에 축하주 한 잔 먹겠습니다. 내일 보자. 내일 아침에 오도록 하겠습니다.
Feeling unstoppable, she makes the fateful decision to let her winning trade ride overnight, convinced she'll wake up to even greater fortune.
Oh no, another trader who left the position overnight with no stop loss. Unbelievable.
But while she slept, her account went on a journey of its own. First, the price of Bitcoin soared, and her unrealized profit swelled to an incredible $2,000. But then, in a violent reversal, her position gets liquidated, leaving her with less than $200.
근데 이게 나 자는 사이에
Oh
무슨
my
일이 있었는데. 아니 이게 어떻게 한 번에 다 내려?
That's hilarious. She put her stop loss at her just above her liquidation price like a beginner.
이게 어떻게 한 번에 다 내려요? 이게 말이 돼요? 이게?
Is it possible?
아,
This is why you have to treat the market like not a machine, treat it like waves in the ocean where you can only control so much of it if you're surfing, but it has like a flow of its own. That's torture right there.
네, 받아들여. 자두야, 이게 너의 현실이야.
After the brutal crash, her mood shifts to one of pure panic and despair. She's a spectator to her own financial demise, unable to do anything about it.
Oh, that was hilarious. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and if you want to see more trading reaction analysis or market analysis, let me know in the comments.